Hi, I'm Eric Jamison, Southeast Area Sales Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today we're shipping another high-capacity Warhorse peeler designed to abrasively peel white potatoes, sweet potatoes, and carrots. Lyco has been an industry leader in root crop peeling since 1983. We have over 400 systems peeling, scrubbing, and washing various root crops. Our machines have softer brushes, which are ideal for washing apples and pickles. The Warhorse peelers are economical with the fewest parts per roll assembly on the market, and these units only have a bearing on one end. We've got one common grease manifold that is used to grease the bearings. Our Lyco Warhorse peelers are hydraulically driven, which makes these systems very simple and reliable. We offer 3 different size units, 7-roll, 8-roll, and 9-roll peelers, for abrasive peeling capacities ranging from 2,000 pounds per hour up to 10,000 pounds per hour. After steam peeling of potatoes or carrots, capacities range from 15,000 to 40,000 pounds per hour. When washing pickles or apples, capacities range from 15,000 pounds an hour all the way up to 45,000 pounds per hour. Lyco Warhorse peelers have a full-length auger that controls the precise retention time of the product, resulting in improved recovery by 1.8 to 2.8%. Side doors are user-friendly for quick access for easy roll changeout that can be completed in 30 minutes. The access doors also allow for ease of inspection. So if you'd like more information about our Warhorse peelers or any of our other equipment, feel free to call us at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.